How to apply filters in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device. Next, navigate to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen and select the video or photo you want to enhance by applying filters. After selecting your media, tap on the Edit button to access the various editing tools available within the app. Then look for the filters icon and tap on it to view the full range of filter options you can apply to your content. Scroll through the available filters and tap on the one that best matches the style or mood you want to create for your video or photo. If the app provides an option, use the slider to adjust the intensity of the filter so that the effect looks just right for your project. Make sure to preview your video or photo with the filter applied to ensure it enhances your content exactly as you envisioned. Once you are completely satisfied with the filter effect, tap the Save button to apply and save the changes permanently to your media. Now you know how to apply filters in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.